All right, listen up, lovely people. If you're ready to give your credit score a glow up and maybe even learn a thing or two, click the link in the description below for a special Kovo offer just for you. So what is Kovo, and why is everyone suddenly buzzing about it? Well, imagine building credit scary interest rates, ridiculous fees, or having to beg some bank to trust you. Kovo is basically the credit builder for people who hate all that faff and who fancy learning something new while they're at it. Here's how it works. Kovo lets you snap up a bunch of online courses. Think job interview hacks, personal branding, even how to wrestle with Google Sheets. Up front, on credit. The catch? Instead of paying all at once, you just pay $10 a month for 2 years. That's less than my coffee budget on a Monday. But here's the real magic. Every on-time payment gets reported to all 4 credit bureaus. Not just the big 3 like everyone else. Oh no, Kovo's going all out. That means your positive payment history gets seen by who matters in credit land. Worried about a credit check? Don't be. There isn't one. You're instantly approved. No awkward sorry, not this time emails. And unlike some other places, there's 0 interest, no sneaky fees, no surprise charges in the small print. Oh, and the courses? Actually useful. You can brush up on everything from stress management to e-commerce, so you're not just building credit, you're building. Stay on track with your payments, and Kovo even chucks in rewards, gift cards, credit boosts, and even ID protection. It's basically like your credit got a personal trainer, a cheerleader, and a security guard, all for $10 a month. So if you're tired of complicated credit stuff and want something easy, breezy, and actually worth your time, check out Kovo with the link below for that special deal. Your future self and your credit score will thank you. Go on, give yourself the credit you deserve. See you on the other side of adulting.